So we're doing exercise 5C, and in this video I'm going to be answering question 2D, which is asking us to sketch the graph of each of the following relations, then state the range of each and specify whether the relation is a function. So here we've been given y equals the square root of x, and we're told that my x is equivalent to my positive real numbers. So that means they've given us what my domain will be. It will be 0 to infinity. And it's very important that we realize that when it says all my real positive numbers, that doesn't include 0. If it did include 0, they would say the union of 0. But because they haven't, I don't include 0. So now I can sketch it. So when I put 1 in, I'll get 1 out. When I put 4 in, I'll get 2 out. When I put 9 in, I'll get 3 out. So it's going to look like this. Perfect. I now can figure out what my range will be. My range will start at 0, but it is not going to include 0, and is going up to infinity. So now I have my domain, I have my range. I now need to determine whether or not this is a function. And to do that, I'll be using my vertical line test, which says if a vertical line can be drawn anywhere on the graph, and it only ever intersects the graph a maximum of once, then the relation is a function. So if I can get a straight line and draw it, and it only ever intersects the graph a maximum of once, so as you can see as I go along here, it's only ever going to intersect the graph once, that means it is a function. So I could come over here and write yes. This is a function because it satisfies the vertical line test. And just so we remember, this is tied to our definition of a function, which tells us a function is a relation such that for each x value, there's only ever one corresponding y value. So that is really proved by our vertical line test. Hopefully this was helpful in doing this question.